In this video, I want to bring your attention to the metric of AOV, average order value.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
It's not always going to be shown to you on different affiliate sites. In fact, most of the time it isn't shown. But it's something that to keep in mind because it's very important, because the product you are selling, let's say it's a $10 product, you might end up with the $10 sale or a $100 sale with different offers depending on the offer. So if a company that you are promoting is good at upselling, you'll get naturally a bigger commission. So for example, some companies, they do not have upsells at all, like Bluehost hosting. You just promote their hosting, you get a $60 referral, which is nice, but then you don't get anything on top of that. So that's it. There's no upsells. The average order value is always the same, never more than the basic commission. Same with the loan programs. Like you might get a big commission, but like it's always the same. They don't do upsells on your behalf. And if they do, they don't credit you for it. Now, on the other hand, there are many types of offers or companies that have upsells that are very good. Typically, platforms or sites that have a lot of products, their main job is to get you in there to buy one product and then upsell. So that's Amazon. That's the Udemy affiliate program. That's any kind of a platform where people shop often. Those have higher average order values than the product you'll be driving your client to. It's not possible to know what exactly the average order value usually is. They might just not tell you, but you can understand that they'll upsell on your behalf. In addition to things like Amazon and Udemy, if you see a company that has a tiered pricing structure, then you know they're going to try to get the person in with the lowest tier and then upsell them. And if they upsell them relatively quickly, during the period of your affiliate cookie or the very initial sign up, then of course you'll get a higher commission. So it is very related to affiliate cookie length, because it's a way to think about it. Like if you have a long affiliate cookie length, you have no idea how much you're going to make per client, but you know that there is a possibility for you to make more. And that's the benefit of understanding this concept of average order value. It isn't always the price of the product you're trying to sell. Sometimes it's more, and you just have to understand which affiliate offers have greater potential and which do not.